Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel Planet Fitness membership online. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, while canceling your membership, the cancellation process may differ between clubs. So the initial step is to contact your home location to confirm the cancellation policy. Now, for most locations, you can cancel your membership either by visiting your home club in person or by sending a written notification via mail. Now, requesting cancellation. Now, some members might also have the option to cancel online based on your membership type and the location of their home club. Now, if you have additional questions, please reach out to your home club or member service department. Now, it's also important to note that to halt the billing of your monthly membership on the 17th, the club must receive a written notice delivered by the 10th in person or through mail. Now, billing changes may take up 7 days to take effect. To stop billing of the annual fees, cancellation must be completed by the 25th of the month before annual fee date. Now, if your membership has a minimum term and is canceled before the end of the contract term, a $58 buyout fee is required. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.